Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the internal drain hose retainer in this Whirlpool top-load washer, you will need a 1/4-inch nut driver, a 5/16-inch nut driver, and channel lock pliers. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the appliance's power cord. Have an assistant help you to move the washer away from the wall. Use the 1/4-inch nut driver to unthread the screw securing the rear access plate. Remove the plate. Use the channel lock pliers to release the spring clamp so you can detach the external drain hose from the outlet port. Next, unthread the 7 screws securing the lower rear access panel. Unthread the screws securing the panel to the internal drain hose outlet port mounting plate. Detach the plate from the panel, and you can pull the panel straight up to remove. Now use the 5/16-inch nut driver to unthread the screw securing the internal drain hose retainer to the outer tub. Fully detach the old retainer if still intact. To install the new internal drain hose retainer, snap it onto the drain hose, then place the motor wiring conduit behind the retainer and thread the screw to secure the retainer to the outer tub. Replace the lower rear access panel by aligning the bottom tabs first. Snap the internal drain hose outlet port mounting plate into place on the panel and thread the screw to secure. Now thread the 7 remaining screws to fully secure the panel. Attach the external drain hose to the outlet port, securing it with the clamp. Realign the access plate and secure it with the screw. Move the washer back against the wall. Plug the appliance's power cord back in, and the washer should be ready for use.